Hi, this is Roberto, Solution Architect and Field Application Engineer in Dave Embedded Systems. Today I would like to present to you the AXEL ULite Evaluation Kit. AXEL ULite is part of Dave Embedded System portfolio of system on module solution based on NXP i.MX6 ultralight system on chip application processor. The AXEL ULite system on module has its own evaluation kit, which allows testing out of the box the main features. The evaluation kit contains the most important peripheral available on the system on chip, connected to its standard connectors. Ethernet, SD, USB, RGB LCD interface, and UARTs are available with standard connectors. In this way, it is possible to fully test them without any external adapters. Once you received the kit, please check carefully the LED stuck to the box and take note the serial number. It will be used for registering the kit in our help desk support channel. Open the box and check the kit content with the packing list using the unboxing wiki page. AXEL ULite standard evaluation kit contains a power supply and its cable adapter, the FTDI to USB serial adapter, a DB9 null module cable, a DB9 to 10-pin ADC serial cable adapter, the already programmed with the Dave BSP software microSD card. At the end, you can find the AXEL ULite evaluation board with the SOM already installed. Now it's time to connect the cables and start your first session. Open the evaluation kit plastic bag. Connect the FTDI adapter to the null modem cable. And connect the USB side to your personal computer. Insert the DB9 connector to the DB9 serial cable adapter to the evaluation kit. In your PC, open your favorite serial terminal. Insert the power cable adapter. Extract the SD card and insert it into the microSD slot in the evaluation kit. Now insert the power adapter cable and plug the 12 voltage power supply. The green LED tells you the board is correctly powered. On the serial console, you can see the complete system startup from U-boot to the Linux kernel console. Using the root username, you will get direct access to the Linux console and start the command line Linux applications. AXEL ULite Embedded Linux Kit has been released as Desk MX6 UL 401 BSP version. Thank you for joining Dave Embedded System community. For more information, visit our website dave.eu and wiki.dave.eu.